So a wee Ford Focus. We've already done the health check other than underneath the bonnet. We do have some video footage on that. Did try and phone the customer earlier on. This was incredibly tight to pull. Right now it's doing nothing, right? So now as you can see there, so I was here pulling here and my dad was at the bonnet trying to lift and trying to pull the bonnet. So we'll pop this off and see what has went on. Right, so the cable is still connected there. Obviously something to do with this bit. Yeah, there you go, that's broken then. So the plastic's given up on it. So there you go, that's there. Right, so it needs a new wheel for there, but there's obviously, if that can't open it, right, that's plastic, that's designed to be plastic, right, that's how they made that. So it should be able to turn that. So I'll need to see if I can get something in there now to open that. Hold on. Right, I'm pulling it now. That's solid. Right, so I'll need to take it out of here because it'll break the rest of it. Right, hold on, we'll pause again. This is C solid, this eh, so. Yeah, you might not be able to get to it from there, but this bit here is all one piece, you can't disconnect the cable for it. So go and wiggle that bonnet. Oh, hold on. Nah. Hold on. I may be able to get the cable out now. Seen a way of doing it. Possibly. Hi. Wait there. Oh, there we go, now let. Right, that's the cable out. Right, so the cable's out. On to it with grips now. Jesus. Right. I done. Oh, Jesus. You can hear the cable there. Right. Oh, that's been severe then. So there you go, so that's severe. You shouldn't need to do that to get your bonnet open.
Nah.
Run.
That cable just wants that one.
Yeah, but it's this cable here. Yeah, so that bit's seized up. It should spring back as well.
Aye.
Right, so it needs a latch and a cable. So I've put that back together, you can see, maybe we got ski with you. Right, so you can see Ford Focus, right, that's the bonnet lever, the one that opens it. You can see the bottom wheel broken, so I mean, it might still work, but it is broken. So we'll need to try and get a new one of these, I think. Right, let's see, so obviously I've put this back in, just to see, because I'm going to shut the bonnet, open the bonnet on it, so I'm trying to get this cable here. So we'll see, hold on. I think so. So it's probably not going to show that, but you might be able to hear it once it goes, if it goes, it is. That's still tight. So there's still something tight there. For reference, you need all that crap out, right, to get your bonnet cable. There's a new bonnet cable there, which is thankfully not broken, and works a treat, hopefully. Inside the car, trim's off. This trim off here. This is part of the old bracket, so the cable comes with this wheel. So we've bolted that, put that up, just put the screws in. It's just like basically like 2 big roll plugs. The screws just spray the plastic open, and that holds it into the body. So the only thing it didn't come with was a new lever, but I fixed the lever, so the lever should be okay now that we've got good, nice and free latch and nice and free cable. The cable, that's not in properly actually, see that? So it needs to go back to there. And then what happens is that screw opens up the plastic and it grips into the body. So we'll get this back together and hopefully it's all good. Let's see. Not a great deal.
No, it's not even registered really, to be honest with you. It's just waiting, that's what's on the tube coming up.
Aye, so new bonnet cable, let's just see if it works. So that was a bit of glued, so I glued it and put a wee bit of that reinforcement powder. So, and that just goes on here, like so. Right, and then, no, it's a bonnet opening.